And just like that, you have a perfect circle in the exact size you need. This thing has been super awesome for what we do. Hey guys, today's Dale's Tool of the Day video is on this super cool roller that we made to roll flat bar.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's Tool of the Day.
So years ago I built kind of a chintzy little ring roller, and we used it for years. And it was kind of janky out of just whatever I could build at the time. And then my buddy Trevor that worked for me and I built this really cool roller. Trevor did most of the building. I did most of the thinking. I was off in the field welding, and I lined Trevor out, and he built most of this. Anyhow, it's super cool. He does a real good job. So you can actually pull these pins on each side and rotate the thing and have it be horizontal if you need to. But for the most part, we just leave it in this vertical configuration, and it runs off of our hydraulic system. And so this big wheel here, you can crank up and down. Now we don't really mess with it much because we got it set perfectly where we need it for the one function that we really use this thing for that customers require, and that's building cellar cover. So there's these like 4-foot culverts that they put in the ground that they call cellars, and we have to build covers to cover them. Well, we have to put a 2-inch lip that's 1/4-inch flat bar all around these things. And when we started, we just kind of tack it and pull it around as we went. Well, that got to be really, really annoying. And then we'd use the other ring roller that I'd made, but that ran off of bottle jacks, and it was really hard to get your adjustment just right. This thing has been awesome, and it's cool that it runs off our hydraulic system, so it makes it really controllable. So I've got a chunk of flat bar here, and this is the stuff we make the cellar covers out of. So what I end up doing is you just come along and you put this underneath the middle. And then you come along and just give it a little bit of a push and put a little bit of a kink in it. Because we don't end up using that end. We end up cutting it to length and welding it in 2 pieces. So that gets it started. But when we built it, we milled this little square shaft in the end here so that as it comes around, it can pick it up and make it go really easy. So, like I say, this runs off the hydraulic system, so I have a hydraulic lever here, and you just start it. Whoop. And just like that, we have the perfect diameter that we always need. That's why we really don't mess with this. We can bend all sorts of different diameters. You can go really shallow or really steep, but we build a ton of these, so we kind of just leave the sucker alone and we use it when we need it. And it's been super handy. And that's Dale's Tool of the Day. Thanks, guys. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.